Hello, welcome to STid Labs, created by our customer care team. Check out our YouTube channel to get answers to all your questions and explore new ways to experience STid products and solutions. Discover features you might not know about yet. If you're using one of our STid products and need a little help getting started, or if you've had your device for a while and need support, we've got helpful how-to videos to guide you step by step. Want to dive deeper? Explore the STid portal features, STid mobile ID functions, RB weapon solution, and discover our new products. For the latest tips and tutorials from the people who know your STid products best, make sure to subscribe to the STid Labs YouTube channel today.